The Motorola Razr family of foldable phones is an exciting addition to the Motorola portfolio, and incredible enhancements have been made to the internal display and the hinge's folding capabilities. Customers will enjoy their Motorola Razr for years without major signs of wear, but we want to give you the tools and support if signs do show up over time. Motorola Razr comes with a superior quality screen protector pre-applied on the internal display to preserve the service life of the phone. After time, the screen protector may show signs of wear. This video will look at how to identify if your screen protector should be replaced and the options available. While we love all Motorola users around the world, this program is only applicable to Motorola phones purchased within the United States. The screen protector is tailored to the Razr's unique folding design. Please do not remove it or use any third-party screen protector as it may reduce your phone's screen sensitivity. Symptoms that indicate a problem with your screen protector include peeling around the edges or hinge, the appearance of bubbles, or scratches on the display. Other concerns with your display are probably not related to the screen protector and should follow our normal troubleshooting. A link to the troubleshooter will be included in the description of this video. If your screen protector requires replacement, Motorola has 3 options. The best option is to schedule an appointment with our partner uBreak iFix. This can be done at many locations across the United States. Simply visit the uBreak iFix website to find a location and schedule an appointment. As a part of our Razr Premium program, this service is provided at no cost as a one-time service. Please note, uBreak iFix is only able to replace the screen protector, and an appointment must be made prior to visiting a location. The second option is only if you are technically inclined and savvy to perform the change yourself. You can order an online repair kit from iFixit. A link to order is available on support.motorola.com. And finally, the third option is our mail-in service. This is a part of our Razr Premium program. Simply send your device to us with the prepaid label provided. Once received, we will replace your screen protector and return the device within 3 to 5 business days. A technician fee may apply for this service. Please ensure you back up your device before sending it to us by using the Motorola Software Fix application from the Motorola website under Software and Support. You can find more information about this repair process at support.motorola.com. Motorola Razr devices bring new ways to interact, capture, and create. We hope you continue to enjoy the device, and thank you for choosing Motorola.